Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Madani Islamic Academy, Quran Tajweed course online. Viewers, today we will continue our lesson number 9 and today we will learn the letters of Leen. How many letters of Leen are there in the Holy Quran and how do we pronounce the letters of Leen in the Holy Quran? We will learn in this lesson with example. Before starting our lesson, if you are new on my channel, kindly subscribe my channel. Let's start the lesson. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Viewers, in this lesson I will teach you what are the letters of Leen in the Holy Quran. What is second letter and how do we pronounce the letters of Leen in the Holy Quran. How many letters of Leen are there in the Holy Quran? Viewers, in the Holy Quran there are two letters of Leen and they are Ya Leen and second is Waw Leen. There are two letters of Leen in the Holy Quran. Number one is Ya Leen. Number two is Waw Leen. What is Ya Leen? When there is a zabbar before a ya sakin, then it becomes Ya Leen. When there is a zabbar before ya sakin, then it becomes Ya Leen. For example, there is zabbar before ya sakin. This is Ya Leen. Here the letter Ya is sakin because it has jazm or sukoon sign on it. This sign is called jazm sign or sukoon sign. What is second letter? Any letter which has this jazm sign or sukoon sign on it, that letter is called second letter. Any letter which has this jazm sign or sukoon sign on it, that letter is called second letter. And this sign always placed above the letter or top of the letter. What is Waw Leen? When there is zabbar before a Waw sakin, it becomes Waw Leen. What is Waw Leen? When there is a zabbar before a Waw sakin, it becomes Waw Leen. For example, there is zabbar before Waw sakin. Here the letter Waw is sakin because it has jazm sign or sukoon sign on it. Any letter which has this jazm sign or sukoon sign on it, that letter is called sakin letter. Here Waw is sakin letter. Let's see the example of the letters of Leen. There is zabbar before Waw sakin, this is Waw Leen. And there is zabbar before ya sakin, this is Ya Leen. How do we pronounce the letters of Leen in the Holy Quran? Viewers, we pronounce the letters of Leen without stretching nor sudden pausing the voice. How do we pronounce the letters of Leen in the Holy Quran? We pronounce the letters of Leen without stretching nor sudden pausing the voice. Let's learn how do we pronounce the letters of Leen in the Holy Quran. We will learn with spelling. Zal, Waw, Zabar, Raw, Zal, Ya, Zabar, Rai, Raw, Rai, Zal, Waw, Zabar, Raw, Zal, Ya, Zabar, Rai, Raw, Rai. Once again, how do we pronounce the letters of Leen? Let's learn with spelling. Zal, Waw, Zabar, Raw, Zal, Ya, Zabar, Rai, Raw, Rai, Raw, Rai, Raw, Rai. This is the example of the letters of Leen in the Holy Quran, and how do we pronounce the letters of Leen in the Holy Quran. Thanks for watching. Kindly like this video. I daily upload a video. Kindly visit my website madaniislamicacademy.com. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.